I'm not a lawyer, but y'all, recusal, 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 recusal. I ain't gonna lie, I had some medical stuff today, so I'm a little bit late, but I had to come tell y'all that Judge Ural Glanville has officially been recused from the YSL RICO trial. This is the order, and it notes that this court, meaning Judge Krause, agrees generally with Judge Glanville's assessment of the propriety of the ex-parte meeting. While the meeting could have, and perhaps should have, taken place in open court, nothing about the fact of the meeting or the substance discussed was inherently improper. So she actually believes the meeting wasn't improper. However, in his order denying defendant Kendrick's motion and in the process of making his record on July 1st, 2024, Judge Glanville added facts, provided context, questioned the veracity of allegations, and otherwise explained his decisions and actions and argued why those actions were proper. While it, quote, may be appropriate for the judge to disclose information relevant to his potential recusal, such a disclosure must be made in a way that is as objective, dispassionate, and non-argumentative as possible, so that the judge is not reasonably perceived as a hostile witness or advocate. And there's some case law that she cites. So she says, in presenting his record, meaning Glanville, as to the recusal issues and in ruling on Kendrick's motion, Judge Glanville, quote, evaluated and accepted the truth of his own factual allegations mandating his recusal. So you know that part where he's only supposed to rule on if the facts were true, then he should be recused. He instead made comments and evaluated if the allegations were actually true or not. She says that's where he messed up. The motion goes on to say that the court has no doubt that Judge Glanville can and would continue presiding fairly over this matter if the recusal motions were denied, but the necessity of preserving the public's confidence in the judicial system weighs in favor of excusing Judge Glanville from further handling of this case. Based on the foregoing, this court hereby orders as follows. Number one, defendant Diamante Kendrick's motion to recuse is granted. Number two, Caleb Bumbus's motion to quash the show cause order and to recuse Judge Glanville is denied as moot, because remember Judge Glanville said he was canceling all that. Number three, defendant Jeffrey Williams' motion to disqualify/recuse Judge Glanville from all further dealings in the above referenced case is granted. And then number four, it says the clerk of court shall reassign this case using the court's case assignment procedures. So granted, denied as mute, granted, and we gonna get a new judge. And just that fast, we already got a new judge. Judge Shakira Ingram has already been assigned. I assume we'll have a hearing on the books very soon.